Hello, and welcome to this series of 505 XT steam turbine controller tutorials. In this tutorial, we will review simulation mode. The 505 has an available speed simulation mode that is intended to be used as a training tool. Any unit can be set up to use this feature and allow the user to configure and simulate some functions of the 505 prior to using the unit or wiring it to the turbine. It can be used to test the operation of the configured start routine, explore all the options available on the product, train and document startup procedures, and learn how to connect and use the service tools. Simulation mode is intended to be used for training purposes. It should not be used with a unit that is installed and connected to a functioning steam turbine. To use simulation mode, you must be logged in to the Configure User level. Refer to the Changing User Levels tutorial to learn how to do this. To check the user level and mode, press the Mode button. The 505 must be set to Operation to use the simulation mode, so the unit should be configured prior to entering simulation. Any configuration of the 505 will work in simulation mode, so the configuration for your site can be used to train operators on a unit identical to what they will see during real operation. Once logged in to the Configure User level, the hardware sim box will appear in the upper right corner of the user login and mode selection screen. Simulation mode must be entered from the 505 unit. It cannot be enabled from a 505 remote view. However, once enabled, the remote view program can be used to simulate. In order to enable simulation mode, the unit must be shut down. Discrete input 1 must be false, and there must be 0 speed on the MPU inputs. Once these conditions are met, highlight the Enable button in the hardware sim box and press Enter. Simulation mode is now enabled, and the light in the hardware sim box should illuminate green. Return to the home screen by pressing Home. At this point, alarms and trips should be reset by pressing the green Reset button. The 505 can now be used to start and run a simulated turbine. The internal speed simulator will simulate speed control with your site-specific configuration. Simulation mode will be aborted if DI channel 1 goes true, the configure user level is logged out, or speed is detected by any MPUs. Once you are done with simulation mode, return to the user login and mode selection screen by pressing Mode. You can disable simulation by highlighting the Disable button and pressing Enter. You now know how to use the simulation mode on your 505 controller. Please be sure to view the other tutorials for more information.